Up and at 'em. It's silent. It's silent but loud. All at the same time. We on the Belvedere.
How you be editing your videos?
Either my phone,
iMovie.
or I got my laptop, but I use like the free version on my laptop, but it ain't nothing what it could be.
Well, if I make any like other videos, cause me and my friends said we're gonna be planning making another video next time we see each other. Or I'm gonna be making another one. Can you edit for me?
Taquandra, do they give them homework? They don't? Why not? Try not. I guess not. Well, when you get out of school, you supposed to do your homework. I mean, not do your homework, then you can edit. You have all day then after that.
What if I gotta finish?
I'm not editing it.
I finish doing the video.
After you done doing the video don't take that long. Editing don't take that long either. Like the whole thing with the program that I use, it doesn't have a lot of transitions. So like, you know how they do like the little magical, or like the like when they go into different clips. My the editing software that I use on my laptop don't have it. Y'all better learn how to use your phone and edit.
I'd rather you not. I follow DJ's mama on TikTok. Mama, I follow DJ's mama on TikTok. I need to put an emoji.
It's a bad bitch something.
Isha.
I said, come on, Kaden, go, Kaden, go, Kaden, go. 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 Woo! Look, you beat your mama real bad. Them titties look like they hurt. Oh, why'd you calling me? Your titty just called me. Your titty just literally called me like it's ringing right now. Your phone is calling me right now. Yes. Hello.
Bro.
They out here hating on these pretty toes. I actually put polish on them. Shoot. I clip my toenails and everything. She need to clip us. Them monsters, boy. Good. Hey, these are pretty toes. Look at all them things. Looking muscular. Man, we had to make a little stop at Taco City to feed the bellies. Happy Mother's Day. Man, and I don't know if, he's about to be busting. This is tilapia, and this is the fried cod taco. And then I don't drink, but I'm drinking today. I got a margarita on the side with some motherfucking McDonald's french fries, and her hand is in my fries.
Come on, I'm done.
Girl, you better two more your ass.
I'm done.
Then be done.
I'm done.
But nah. Exercise is demanding on your joints, particularly in areas like your feet and ankles. And after a long day or intense workout, that translates into fatigue, muscle tightness, pain, and soreness. But what if your shoes could reduce pressure and demand on your feet and joints? So instead of feeling fatigue, pain, and tightness, you were left feeling recharged. Magic, right? Actually, it's science. Made with proprietary OOF foam technology, OOFs absorb 37% more impact than traditional foam footwear. Materials for the perfect blend of cushion and stability. Feel the ooh. Silence the dogs. Oof, oof, oof.